Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a Discord channel read only. So I'm gonna creating a new text channel here and giving channel name notice board, create channel, and after that I'm clicking on this edit channel icon, permissions, and scrolling down. Here we can see send messages option, so we need to disable this send messages option and create public thread, disable this, create private threads, disable, save changes, and now click on your server name, server settings, roles, and create role, give role name, click on permissions, scroll down, and here you'll find send messages option, so you have to enable this option from here and click on save changes. So that's how you can make a Discord channel only read. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.